The day view exists to help you get intentional about the details of your day by outlining what you're going to do and when. When it comes to planning your day, you always want to begin with your priorities. It's very easy to get overwhelmed by all of the things that need to get done, but by knowing what your priorities are, you not only know where to begin, but you also know which tasks are and aren't essential. While some of your priorities will be about working in and sustaining your business, you also want to make sure you've got priorities in place which are lining up with your quarterly goals and prompting you to work on your business. Remember, following the method isn't just about the planning and the setting intentions and goals, it's also about the doing. If you've got the week view, then you can take these priorities from the top section of each of the days. Once you're clear on your priorities, then it's time to look at the detail of your day. Starting with the schedule section on the left-hand side, you want to add in any meetings or appointments that are coming up. This is a great place to start because it allows you to see how much of your time is already allocated and therefore how much time is available for additional tasks. To map out your tasks, you want to look at the priorities that you've outlined at the very top and in order, write out what you want to get done. I would always recommend writing this in the order that you're going to do it. That way, there's no thinking needed to know where to start on the list. And if you're anything like me, then you don't just do the tasks which you're most excited by or perhaps find the easiest. If you want to take it a step further, you can then map out when each of those tasks are going to get done. It's very easy to set an ambitious to-do list and think that we have more time than we do. But this is actually setting ourselves up for failure because then you end the day feeling disappointed and you're forced to spill tasks over into the next day. To combat this, either write your priority tasks into the schedule or draw arrows between the sections so that you're forcing yourself to think about how long each task is going to take and what available time you have in order for that to get done. The final sections you have are if I have time and tomorrow. When you are going throughout your day and the little tasks like sending an email or doing some paperwork come up, you can add that to the if I have time section. Then when you have a 5 or 10 minute chunk of time, which maybe isn't enough to work on a full task, you know the easy and quick things that you can get done in that time. And the final section, tomorrow, is for any thoughts or rollover tasks which you can then reference when planning out and filling out your day view for the next day. I like to fill out my day view the night before so that I arrive at my desk in the morning feeling ready to work and clear on where to start. When you work for yourself, time is your most precious resource, and the day view is here to help you manage that with ease.